Aerobic respiration is the metabolic pathway that provides the most ATP for the cell. It begins with pyruvate from glycolysis, acting as a substrate for the Krebs cycle in the mitochondria. The products of the Krebs cycle are NADH and FADH2. The byproducts are ATP and CO2. NADH and FADH2 are highly reduced molecules that consequently donate an electron to the cytochrome, a protein of the inner membrane. The newly excited cytochromes pump protons into the intermembrane space from the intermatrix. The electron which came from the NADH and FADH2 passes sequentially with each cytochrome through a series of redox reactions. An oxygen molecule from the inner matrix acts as the final electron receptor that ultimately forms with hydrogen to form water. As more protons build up in the intermembrane space through active transport, the chemiosmotic gradient forms. Because of the chemiosmotic gradient, protons rush through the protein ATP synthase by passive transport. With the energy made by the protons going from an area of high concentration to low concentration, ADP plus P phosphorylizes to make ATP. Now recall that the oxygen molecule served as the final receptor in the electron transport chain. What would happen had the oxygen molecule not been present? The electrons which the cytochromes naturally pass through would build up, thus causing the electron transport chain to back up. This backup of electrons prevents the reduced molecules NADH and FADH2 from passing their electrons. Without the ability to hand off an electron to the cytochrome, the Krebs cycle ceases to function. Moreover, a faulty Krebs cycle leaves an incremental surplus of pyruvate outside the mitochondria. The buildup of pyruvate causes pyruvate poisoning.